Well, here's a 1957 Nomad. I did a couple Nomads last time I was here, but this is a different one. And it's amazing that I'm seeing new cars here, different cars. I mean, different cars that I didn't see. That, you know, even though it's raining out like crazy. Nice paint job. Never had a paint like this back in '57. With two doors, what the Nomad is. And you got the automatic on the floor, bench seat, gray with two-tone gray cloth and vinyl. Can't see in there too good because of the rain. And it's nice, you know. I personally like, when you go to red, I like the maroon type reds or the burgundy type reds, and that looks good with the red, the burgundy type red, a darker red, and the silver. Most of the time I don't like cars that are red, you know, but unless it's a, I don't know, two-door sports car or something. But I like this kind of red, especially with the silver, you know. So it looks really bitchin'. Very well done, and you know, as far as the workmanship on this car, you know, it's over the top. But it's a Nomad, and we've got some music in the background here. I've got to watch it freaking YouTube, and freaking say, well, you can't do it. Anyway.